D deficiency
Weather.
since I came and I lost my hair.
Moody or Mayat?
Lot of audience here in Germany because already Indian and
Also
Pakistani.
Pakistani, because we also love Atif Aslam song.
When I first came here, it means
The tuition fees. There is no tuition fees.
Would you support Pakistan or India? Is it your homeland? Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Hello, Ishatul.
I'm Tasmina.
I'm Reza.
I'm Umayr.
I'm Sapphire.
All of you are?
The dorm room.
Why did you choose this place?
I think there is a natural beauty, and we can sense the music here. If you see the birds is there, and you can see the water is there. So we have chosen the Japanese garden. We can feel our music here. So this is the place I think is best.
What is the name of the band and why? Why, when, and how? Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So
Yeah, we can keep walking. You
Okay.
can get your stuff.
So now we'll go straight, and I will tell you the story how the dorm room started. And there is no one leader. Like, we enjoy the song. We enjoy the moment.
Where do you have your jam sessions and practice?
It's just like, as I said, it's a dorm room. So sometimes it is in Essen, sometimes it's in Duisburg. Everybody has a room, and we jam there really hard for going for the jamming in a jamming session, doing this. But this is what we wanted, like
Mhm.
in a room, the dorm room, and we practice there. We like, especially, we like to give some mashup things, and we love to give a new taste, which is not here. So
Okay,
this is
do
the
you,
dorm
do
room
you play
session.
Bengali music, German music?
We play the Bengali music. Even we have influence to Indian, also Pakistani, because we also love Atif Aslam song. Even some of the other Indian songs, even sometimes in some English songs also.
We are working on German songs also. In Deutsch, there is a big music industry. We are interested to do some German musics as well,
Mhm.
and mostly we are exploring European musics.
Do commercial gigs also?
Yeah, we are working as a professional band now. In a way, we are doing for ourselves as well, like attending shows
How
and
hard
different
it is
programs.
to play music? Like, do you have audience who is willing to listen to other
Yeah,
music than
obviously.
English or German?
We have a lot of audience here in Germany because already Indian and Pakistani communities are so big, and we have our Bangladeshi communities as well. And in a way, we there are a lot of universities. The students community is a big community, and also migrated people. There are a lot of people who are staying in Germany for a long time. They also actually want to listen the soul music of some of their own language, Bengali or Hindi or Pakistani songs,
So,
some
have you
old
ever
songs,
had
new
a
songs.
concert like where you earn money? Can you earn
Yeah,
money?
yeah.
Like if somebody asks
We
because
work
people
as
are
a
interested.
professional team, like professional bands. We attend the occasions, we attend the programs or shows. Obviously, we we are a paid band.
So, if somebody is interested, any South Asian or Indian, Pakistani, Sri Lankan, how can you start a band?
Yeah, I think the most important thing is the first one is understanding, because we have a very, friendly bond
Mhm.
and in 5 members of our team. So I
Mhm.
think at first you have to be understandable to each other, and also you have to have a taste of music,
Mhm.
because our taste of music is similar. We learn singing from the childhood. We know the Bengali music, the Indian subcontinent music. We also include the other music sense from, for example, like Turkish music or African music. We
So
try
you're doing
to, yeah.
fusion also.
Yeah.
You have to have a like-minded group or group of a friend. So it helps setting up a
Yes,
band.
of course.
Uh-huh.
At first,
Okay.
you have to be friends.
Singer.
Uh,
That's a nice question.
Yeah, because you know the star.
Surprising thing, like, we 5 sings. That's why in dorm room there is no leader.
Mhm.
Sometimes she is leading,
Mhm.
sometimes he is leading. So we have a blend of voices.
You can sing the females. Can
Yeah,
you?
exactly. That's why we have the female singers, and sometimes we need some Sufi, sometimes we need some rocking voice. So like he.
Each of us try to perform in different genres. Like me in the vocal, him the pop songs mostly. Ishak he sings mostly like the rock songs and pop songs. She can go for like most of the genres she can hit, as well as very good
And who is
classical
the writer?
songs.
Who do you have your own original?
Already we have written a song. I write the song and we do the mashup this thing. Sometimes he helps me a lot, especially because he plays the flute. Because as a band, there is need a guitar. There is need a like something with flute. There also need a female touch. Then she came here.
Do you want to take it as a career, or it's just a side hustle you are having with your studies?
We wish that if we can take it as a career, but it's very very tough for the musician. So we love the music and we love to the people enjoy our music. And there is a thing in our music, like when we know so many types of songs and we see the audience what kind of songs they love, then we sings those type of songs. Even
Okay,
if
so-
I want to show you some natural
And-
beauties. Let's go.
After having lived here in Germany,
I didn't get your
guide me
question.
about the stairs.
I didn't get your question. So from the straight.
What is your relationship with Germany? Like, how do you feel living in Germany?
Okay,
Is
I
it
think
a-
Shafet should answer it. You
Sure.
should go for it. As you,
How was
yes.
the experience?
Yeah.
He's just new.
Okay.
Though I am
Yeah.
new here, so it's really good for me because there is diverse culture. So as I live in before Hungary, so if I compare between two countries, Hungary and Germany, so definitely Germany is more good. More importantly, the tuition fees. There is no tuition fees for me, so it's really good for me.
What was the biggest culture shock when you
Okay.
came to Germany?
Biggest cultural shock to settle down in abroad in a different country is always hard. But I think Deutschland as a training center, if anyone can survive in Deutschland, he can survive in any country in this world. It's hard, but I think it's good for students and for other people who are coming to Germany.
How open is Germany? You're from
I'm
South
I'm
Asia.
here
Palestine.
from 2024, and German culture is actually diversified. Most of the cities I see different colors, different people from different countries, and everyone is happily living with their own culture. Also, they're integrating with the German culture as well, which is really appreciable, and it is not a very big struggle, I would say, for everyone.
Language?
Yes,
People are
language
always complaining
is
about-
the most one, but obviously it's another country.
What did you gain
Okay.
coming to Germany?
Okay. So I will love to go there. I
One
think.
person will tell what did you gain, and the other person can tell what did you lose.
Bonding here, because when we left the country, I got some people because they don't find the like-minded people. So I had gained a lot. Second, I will say that in terms of education, in terms of experience, I had gained a lot. And also about the music sense, I had gained a lot because
Yeah.
in Germany there are varieties of music. Turkish, there is German, there is Indian.
But being homesick because I missed my family a lot. So being away from friends and family is the
How
the
easy
worst
is
thing
it to
happened
make
me.
friends in Germany?
I would say it's not hard to find from your own culture, but cultures like Europeans or any other, it's a bit hard. Surprisingly, here in Germany, Germans mostly don't speak English, or they wouldn't like to.
What do you guys miss most about Bangladesh?
The first is food. Obviously, family, the
Give-
culture.
For me, especially my mother, my friends.
My family and my friends, and also I had a band there. I also miss them.
I will say the joy and happiness being with my family.
For me, also my family, food, and vitamin D. I have vitamin D deficiency
Weather.
since I came, and I lost my hair. Job breaks for me.
So, one advice to students who want to come to Germany.
You should come to Germany. It's a very good country, but before you come here, you should be learning the language a little bit.
Take 7-10 months that there will be struggle will be there. So be prepared for those 7 and 10 months, and then
They must have a solid plan for next 2-3 years about language and part-time jobs, and to getting full-time jobs.
Can you guys call Germany your Heimat? Is it your homeland?
Not yet.
Can
Not
it be?
yet. Different people who are very close to their own culture can sometimes get harder to get into other cultures, and me one of them.
culture do you think you identify more with?
With
Like
me,
Eastern culture or European culture?
I still feel very proud Bengali. So yes, still I'm holding that culture, but also I try to respect their culture.
Basically, I prefer my homeland culture, but I am so interested to explore a different kind of culture. That's why I came here.
Nowadays people are so open minded, and they are able to integrate multiple cultures. A lot of people who are coming from different countries in Germany, they are also trying the same.
Living in Germany now, do you think that it's a good experience?
Yes, it's good how they are maintain the punctuality in the work, like so much into cleanliness. And the bad side, I will say, yes, because sometimes there are some people who feels that okay, I am not suitable because of the language barrier, because of the cultural barrier.
The word Ausländer means for you?
It's
Because this is
complicated. To me, when I first came here, it means I don't belong here, something like that. Now, yeah, I'm still Auslander, but I'm getting
It's
into
okay.
it. Yeah.
And you're not bothered about
yeah,
it.
yeah. এলো যে সন্ধ্যা, শুধু দুজনে চলো না ঘুরে আসি অজানাতে।
One thing people badly need to know about Bangladesh is
I think the food. This is badly need to know.
tips for learning German.
Try to talk to more people, be extrovert, go with the vocabularies mostly rather than grammar.
Most complicated or weird German word.
Berücksichtigung.
What does it mean?
I don't know.
To be successful in Germany,
Learn the language, adapt the culture.
best place for immigrants in Germany.
NRW.
One thing South Asian tourists should stop doing in Europe.
Keeping like all the places clean more.
And one thing all immigrants must do to integrate in Germany.
Learn the language. Yeah, being punctual.
Being a Bengali in Germany means
Being Bengali in German, I think you will get more Bengalis. You don't have to worry about it.
okay.
জানাতে যেখানে নদীর থেমে গেছে।
Misconceptions about Bangladeshis.
That Bangladeshis are not industrious, but Bangladeshis are industrious.
One thing South Asian students or migrants complain a lot about in Germany.
Weather, because it's too much cold.
One thing Germans complained a lot about South Asians.
Mostly the noise at their home.
Best German tradition or festival.
I think carnival. It's very colorful.
And must see German city.
Munich, beautiful city.
Must watch German movie.
None of us has
You guys don't watch German movies.
Everybody should watch The Dark.
Yeah, I also think that. Okay. If somebody wants to learn Bengali,
Not that much of difficult like Chinese.
German women are
Hardworking, friendly, and also beautiful.
dating German means.
I like that.
I thought it's okay if you haven't. I mean, you know the friends of friends. So it doesn't. You don't have to date a person. I mean,
I
Or
thought you were
dating-
pointing to me. That's why I said.
okay, it doesn't have to be you. Like you have
Okay.
seen your friends.
Yeah. That's what I was. It's time taking.
So concept of love in Germany is different than Asia.
Yes, of course, because they think a lot. And
I have something to add. Like in Germany, what I saw from my friends that they give appointments to meet with your girlfriend, even with the boyfriend. I think this is something weird. I find, and also I will say that yes, when they were like true, that they go more on it.
they're very loyal. When they love someone, they're very very loyal.
South Asian men should learn from them. Sorry, no offense to men. English or German? Which language do you prefer to communicate?
Now I prefer to speak in German.
I swear in
English.
one Bengali word which you keep saying.
I don't think any of them.
Yeah, well,
He's a traitor. He doesn't speak his mother tongue.
No, you said when I'm trying to
Duro, like
speak other language.
I see. Yes.
Duro.
Okay. Doner or currywurst?
donor.
Dona.
Currywurst is nothing.
Chai or coffee?
Chai.
Coffee.
Coffee.
This
Coffee.
guy is colonized. South Asian means India. True or false?
False.
Okay.
False, but everybody thinks.
Real Bengali is from Kolkata or Dhaka?
Dhaka.
Hollywood or Bollywood?
For me, it will be Bollywood because from the childhood I am following the Bollywood more.
And you guys?
Hollywood.
For me, both.
Cricket
To
match.
watch.
Would you support Pakistan or India?
For me, Pakistan because I love Shoaib Akhtar.
Me too, Pakistan.
And you?
I don't watch cricket.
Okay, politically correct.
I like the cricket of both of the teams.
Shah Rukh Khan or Shakib Khan? Shakib Khan is from Bangladesh. So if Shah Rukh Khan or Shakib Khan, which one?
Mm, Shah Rukh Khan. Yeah.
What's happening to Bangladesh?
Right now is Shakib Khan because you have to watch him.
And Sia or Shreya Ghoshal, the singer, you know, Shreya Ghoshal.
Shreya.
Shreya.
Okay,
No doubt.
okay. German music or Bengali music?
Bengali.
Bengali music.
Obviously.
Blonde Korean or Desi beauty?
Desi.
Men would say something
Men.
else.
Why don't you say
Desi.
Desi?
Desi beauty. Modi or Maths? You
No
don't-
comments on politics. Sorry.
No comments. we
No
don't have-
comments.
No comments.
No comments.
Who can lead the world, Malala or Mamdani? Zohran Mamdani, who just
I think Mamdani.
I think Mamdani is better for that role.
Mehdi Hassan from Al Jazeera or Mehdi Hassan, the singer, if you know him. You know,
Not
you
the
guys
singer.
know.
We are singers.
Oh, good. Sorry.
Why not?
Never mind.
Ignorant question.
We got the first one plan, but
What is Desi? If you have to explain it to somebody.
The food, how you eat, like with hand, number one. Number two is how you wear your traditional dresses. Number three, what you hear when you are sad or you enjoy.
Most annoying thing related to music on internet.
AI generated lyrics, I think, which have like literally no meaning.
Okay, recommend a musician from Bangladesh.
Runa Laila?
I will say Pritam Hassan. For the new generation, like he's rocking the world. See the Coke Studio Bangla.
Bengali movies, you know.
Padda Nadir Machi?
Is there any English?
The boatman from Padma River.
Okay, I will say Tufan. Even it is in available in YouTube in Hindi also, so the people also can watch there.
Recommend a Bangladeshi influencer.
I will say Rafsamda Chotowai. He had collaborated with Hania Amir also in Pakistan, even with some
What
Indian food blogger.
I want to recommend Nadir on the go. He's a solo traveler and he's traveling around the world.
influencer from music industry that everybody needs to check out?
It's really tough to say, but if it is a singer, then I will from Pakistan. I will say like now he is everyone knows him from Atif Aslam.
One Bengali a musician on Spotify to check out.
See the Muza Muza because he has done some international songs also. Also Pritam Hassan because the music he is creating is goes with the today's world. So
आवाज लेके मुझे तू ले जा सकूं खामोशियाँ सहना सकूं आवाज लेके मुझे तू ले जा सकूं
Thank you. Oh, that's great. That was really, really